everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my 8.0 from Ashwat and I hope you all are fine. And today we are going for a workshop to NIFT. So, hey, so we are finally here and it's beautiful.
Hey, we don't have masks. Why are you so black out of nowhere suddenly?
Because of the light.
I look Gora now.
So we the smart people, we don't have masks. So we are going to buy a mask. I think there. I think there.
With the odd ones
Get the
out
odd
here.
ones out. Finally we got the pinky mask.
Pinkies.
And we're going inside. Everyone is waiting for us. Ashwini ka mask the bichara.
You haldi nahi Shanidhi?
We are in NIFT for a workshop. So yeah, this is NIFT. सनवीर जी आपको पिंक कलर का मास्क पहन के कैसे लग रहा है? ऐसा लगा तो सर्जरी रूम से निकल के आया.
The people with pink masks are disappointment.
That's why you're wearing pink. Oh.
This is one of our labs. This is the pattern making draping lab. When you make garments and all, you don't just cut them, stitch them. There's a design process. Okay, and in the design process, we start right from going through the forecast. There are lots of companies doing forecasts, predicting what trends are going to be in. Now, what are the kind of Garment construction lab. Okay. Here, after making the patterns and all, the students make the garments here. We have different types of machines here. We have this is called the single needle offset. It is like your ordinary machines that we have at home, but it is far more consistent in terms of quality. You can adjust the stitch length, or what we call SPI, stitches per inch. How many stitches per inch? You can adjust the stitches per inch. You can adjust the speed of the motor. This motor runs out around of Nagaland. The faculty along we get a project. Now, when we get projects, faculties they don't have time to go into these clusters or these different places to work as designers there. Yeah, and everything happens under the mentorship of the faculty. So these are some of those products which are made. These are mainly woodcraft of Nagaland and Sikkim. And this is a classroom project of students.
So far the workshop is going quite good, and we got to know a lot of things about fashion designing industry. It's not just about clothing. So this classroom is giving us Munna Bhai MBBS vibe.
We cover in advertising, but remember guys, when we talk about advertising, it's not.
No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, 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 I'll be there. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, 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 I'll be there.
Finally the session is done and I am looking so kala. And we are now going to have something, I guess. The campus is quite cute.
No, never forget that day. No, 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 I'll be there. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no, no,
Anisha, where are we going? How was the session? I literally made else. So guys, I literally felt like this is not a college, but in fact it's a museum.
Oh.
It gave me a museum vibe because our college is not like this. It's instead like just except photos, we don't have anything else in our college. So yeah, bye. So we all are here for a group photograph.
Yes.
Sunu, how was the session?
Good, insightful, otherwise boring.
Yeah. The campus is good, right?
Very good.
Departments are good as well.
बहुत सारा कुछ और मतलब आके इधर में the sitting arrangements stuff.
Nice campus though. So we're leaving now. Say bye bye to NIFT. Bye.
ये ऊपर से गिर रहा था आज
क्या था करे?
ऊपर से गिर रहा था मेरा पैर नहीं हम चुप्पी लेने के लिए
चुरपी?
आज तो कोई शर्ट मिला
दे वाला चुरपी वाला देता?
कपड़े देखो बोला लास्ट वाला वो
Bye guys. Say bye. Guys, this was it for today. This is me, Niftshillong, signing off from NIFT Shillong. So bye.